Hey guys, welcome back to Howard's World. My name is Howard. I had these glasses on for no reason. Big up on yourself. If you're new here, guys, do me a favor. Go down, look down at the bottom part of the video and subscribe. You see me? If you're watching on your mother phone, subscribe to it. If you're watching on your cousin phone, subscribe to it. You see me? And if you've been here before, you're part of the family. Big up yourself. You see me? Don't forget to like. Come on, you can't like from now. You see me? Also, guys, turn on the post notifications so you can get every single time I drop a video. By now, you guys have already been introduced to Why Not Wednesdays. As I said before, go and watch that video and let me know in the comments who else you want to see on Why Not Wednesdays, what kind of topics you want me to talk about, and all that. Before I get into the video and tell you what I'm going to do, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell a friend that your friend Howard said to tell a friend. You see me? So I came on here looking all cool earlier because I feel very cool. You see me? It's nighttime, but I have a lot of energy right now. So I was just like, yo, let me shoot a video. So let me tell you how the idea came about. You see me? Let me tell you how the idea came about first of all. Wait, nah. Let me tell you what I'm do. I'm giving myself a henna tattoo. I have all the necessary equipment, and that's why I'm telling you why or how the video come about. So boom. The other day I was thinking, I was like, yo, I remember that I stole some of Camille's henna things, because Camille did come with, in the video if you watch it, Camille did have henna tattoo on her hand and she did it herself, you see me? So she did have all the henna things and I was just like, yo, let me steal some. So when I did see her, I did snatch two. And then when she does go over, they say, oh, by the way, Cam, I did take 2 things. Because, you know, that's what friends do. And then I saw one of my friends get a tattoo the other day and I was just like, yo, kind of cool. But I'm not going to get any tattoo because I don't like commitment that much. Like, I don't feel like committing to something on my skin that much. So I'm going to get a henna. Because as you know, henna, I go wear off. So yeah, may I ramble? Why may I ramble so much? Boom. I did link some of my friends and I say, yo, let me get some cool designs. Let me get some cool designs so I can do a henna. And I got 2. I'm going to do that one and this one. We can do it. I have a lot of faith in myself, you know. Guys, we've seen how I do makeup. You know that I have a lot of talent. You see me? I have a lot of talent. So, to the one day local, I'm going to take off my fandangles also. Don't forget to go over to peculiarcrafting.co and Jimmy Jewels, because they keep my jewelry coming. So boom, we're starting with the wrist one. So I'm not even gonna lie, guys. I feel like I had this too long because remember say Camille did there from December, you know. Camille did there from December, so I feel like I have this too long and the day in the freezer. Come and say, yo, if you have things that you don't want to spoil, let's put it in the freezer. Because freezer preserve things. Yeah, I get what I mean. Freezer, I get what I mean. Alright, let's go. Boom. So, alright, let's go. So guys, another reason I was really excited to do this is because turns out to do henna tattoos in Jamaica are really expensive. When I talked to Camille, she said, one, the things that she used to do it, like, it's really affordable, so you know, off it that expensive, you see me? So it's like, yo, why Jamaican people them are overpriced up on the henna? Like, I did link somebody and them tell me say, to do the henna it gonna cost me, oh snap. Them said to do the henna it gonna cost me 20 grand to do, and I'm not capping, 20 Jamaican dollars for a henna tattoo. That's wild. So 20 grand to do my upper. It would cost me 20 grand to do up there, so then it would have run me 40 grand if I do my back because I didn't want to get something in my back. And I was like, nah, that's crazy. That's crazy. When we can just link Camille, book back, and get henna tattoo equipment and match it myself. So by the way, guys, if you're watching the video and we know me have talent, you don't know me have talent, you don't know say one thing about Howard, you know for doing things, you see me? So leave in the comment from now because I really like the encouragement. So comment right now. Don't be afraid to comment, guys. You know, we're friendly over here. Comment right now and say, you can do it! You see me? You see, if this is successful, y'all know I'm gonna go in the henna tattoo business because 20 grand for henna, and we can charge, you know, a good 2 grand, I don't know. I'm here to say it really affordable. That's the thing. I'm here to say you can make it. I heard that you can make it. I heard that you can make it from your home. Because really and truly, if you know the philosophy of the mitochondria as it relates to the overloading tube of henna tattoo, all you really have to do is all it really are gonna do is stay in your skin. You see me? I'm gonna say then people bleach not do find things to stay in their skin all the time when you have bleach, you just find mix up curry with what is it, curry with toothpaste. If you're a bleacher, comment down below, let me know. Wanna mix up the home remedy. Not that I ever bleach, you know, but do you? You see me? Do you? Jesus, peace. It poil, you know? Look like it's a poil. So. My mother say every time I talk to you, as like on the channel, me talk like say, you know hear me and you know I reply. So if you don't want my people to think I'm a crazy person, comment and reply back. Let's have a conversation. Update. So this is what we're doing. This is where I'm at. So pretty close. We're coming along. Pretty close. You see me? Pretty close. You know when me are meds? If I say I made this at night and henna did fit up on your hand and dry. Damn, I didn't think that part through. But hey, we got this. And this one is for, so I have 2. And this have nothing in it. Big up yourself, Camille. I know I didn't tell you that I have them. You see me? So it's not stealing if you did tell them afterwards, right? Right. So it's not stealing. I did just borrow it, but forget to tell her that I'm borrowing it. So now she knows. And Camille is a good sport. Camille not gonna attack me and say, oh, dirty boy, teeth my things. Oh, by the way, guys, I'm really rambling enough. By the way, guys, it was Camille's birthday, like, this I dropped Saturday, so it was Camille's birthday like 3 days ago. So big up Camille. Camille, this video is, should I say this video is for Camille? Nah, we're not doing that. But big up yourself, Camille. Update. Yes, we're coming on fine. Yes, sir, we're coming on fine. But we don't have enough arm space for this. No one is better than I am at henna tattoos. And if they feel like they are fooling themselves. Kinda looks like cow doodoo. Kinda looks like runny diarrhea. But hey, we got it. It's progress, you know, it's progress. But really and truly, you know. I chat too much, so I'm happy. Really and truly, you know, you just have to ensure, say, you line it up good, because this not count, you know. How you look when you rub off. And that count, and that me I get realize with henna. So don't kill up yourself. If you see it look nice, and if none of this left, the first person will comment if you want it, tell me, and we make you get the rest will left. You see me say, if you comment first, and none left, we make you get it. But if none are left, I'll like your comment. So yeah, I have some questions that if I get it right, I get a prize. You see me? Coming up soon. Alright. Let's go. Fire. So let me show you the progress so far. Alright, so if you look at this right now, you will get to understand that the person in this did not do it well. And this is really how it's supposed to look, but you can have, you know, he was trying something right here. But yeah, we're coming along. I'm coming up. I don't want to pull this one because Halle did want some. If y'all want to see me do Halle's henna, like this video. Yo, listen. Comment down below if you want to bring Halle on an episode of Why Not Wednesdays. That's going to be interesting. Boom. Bam. Bada bop boop. Pow. You have to be very artistic to do this. Not artistic, artistic. You see me? Because I'm a natural. Look at that, look at that. Look at the great stencil work. Look at the great tracing, look at the great. Yeah, and you know, say when it comes to art, you make it what you want it to be. So nobody can tell me, say, I never say if you look. For the part here, isn't it? The part here, oh wait there. Right here, so. Right here, so. So I draw down some lines, so. Isn't me? Because we have talent. This a mess up, G's and P's. Just draw them some line right there, so. You see me? Then another one here, draw some horizontal line. Because as I say, we make it what we want it to be. Draw some horizontal line right here, so. Then we draw G's and P's. Me shade out the part there, yeah, because we shade out the part there. And then we draw some more. We draw one circle right here, so. Alright, we draw one circle right here, so. Ta-da! Talent. Talent over hype. This is hard work, man. So what's a boom? 1 circle, 2 circle, 3 circle, 4 circle, 5 circle, 6 circle, 8 circle, 9 circle. And just like that, we have a beautiful henna job. I'm gonna draw a line, no. Alright, I'm gonna draw just a line down here, so like bam, just one line. Is there one next one? Right. One next one. What I ordered versus what I got. So the man that I try thing, but really and truly, let's be honest. Howard's World take it right now. Howard's World take it. So I'm going to insert. I'm gonna put a clip or an image of when it finished at the end of this video. So I forgot the video while taking it off, but this is the morning after, and this is the end result. Let me know in the comments if I failed or passed. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend's friend that your friend Howard said to tell a friend. And just like that, guys, me add on pan me resume again. You see me? Again. Big up on yourself. Megan.